The city of Minneapolis is way over budget when it comes to overtime pay for police, and one of the big questions now is what they're going to do about it. This year, the city budgeted $2.3 million for overtime. During Operation Metro Surge alone, the city spent at least $3 million in an overtime budget. Now, the total is $23 million over budget. Here's Frankie McLister.
There have been some narratives that have been both accurate and also slightly inaccurate.
Minneapolis Mayor Jacob Frey spoke with reporters aiming to clear the air.
There was this narrative out there that the overtime that was spent was unnecessary and we could have somehow avoided those hours and those dollars. Largely, we found that to be false.
Frey says he had his team look at 2020's staffing versus 2026.
Even with the overtime hours that we conducted, we still were not able to get back even remotely close to the hours of service required. We were drastically undercounting the dollar figure necessary in the budget to complete those overtime hours.
In a typical year, the city is able to cover police overtime costs by using money saved by unfilled positions. This year, the tragedy at Annunciation, along with Operation Metro Surge, caused those numbers to skyrocket.
I would make the same decision every day of the week and twice on Sundays to have officers that are available on standby, ready to go, than not have them available.
Mayor Frey will present his budget proposal to council members next week. A big portion of that will address the overtime costs. It could mean raised property taxes or layoffs. We asked him about it, and here's what he said.
I can't yet. We're obviously working out those decisions for the remaining of this week.
With photojournalist Art Phillips.
Having a police officer both costs more than it used to cost, and the work that we're asking them to do is more extensive.
Frankie McLister, WCCO News.
Council member Michael Rainville told WCCO in part the mayor and city council face the biggest budget crisis since the last time the state cut LGA funding. I await the mayor's budget presentation and the council's opportunity to respond. MPD says its roughly 600 officers handled more than 50,000 calls in December, January, and February. The city council will meet next Thursday.